Hi everyone, I'm Carla, and I'm thrilled to have you join me on this exhilarating ride. On this channel, we will be diving headfirst into the world of restoring iconic cars, uncovering their stories and breathing new life into these automotive legends. Why don't you come join me? Let's go!
I would like to introduce my first love, who holds a special place in my heart, Bella. She is a 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air sports coupe that I have owned for the past 4 years. Rebuilding her was an incredibly awakening experience that taught me a lot about myself and what I can accomplish in life. She ignited my addiction to the car world and the amazing people in it. I love the history, the people, and the stories, and that is why I've created this channel to share my stories with you. Next, I would like to introduce Vicki. She is a 1955 Ford Fairlane Crown Victoria. Her sleek lines, along with her crown, sets her apart from the crowd. A dear friend of mine, Brian, owns a glass-top Crown Victoria, which is the cat's meow. Meow. So when the opportunity arose to own one, I couldn't turn it down. The next car I would like to introduce is Mona Lisa. She is one of 12 1956 Monarch Richelieu convertibles known to exist in the world. These cars were only produced in Canada, which makes them extremely rare and very important to the Canadian automotive history. I also acquired a 1956 Monarch Custom Coupe as a parts car for the convertible's restoration. The last car that I would like to introduce is Misbehaving. The name was inspired by historic World War II bomber pinup art and the car's original fiery red color. During my service in Afghanistan, one of our helicopters bore the same name and artwork. Misbehaving is a 1954 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. And I am planning to put in a 454 big block Chevy engine into this car to ensure she gets the attitude she deserves.
Buckle up, classic car enthusiasts! Whether you're a seasoned collector or just getting started, Cruising with Carla, Restoring Classics is your ultimate destination for all things vintage automobiles. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on this epic adventure. Let's go!